Pete the kitty in the case of the hiccups. What do you think hiccups are? And what do you think the main point of this story is? Let's find out. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked the grumpy toad, how do I stop the hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Do you think standing on one foot would help hiccups? Let's see. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop the hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Do you think hopping up and down will help the hiccups? Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. How would you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Gus, how do I stop the hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop the hiccups? I know, says Bob. What do you think Bob's going to tell him? You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Do you think his mom can stop his hiccups? Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and waits, and he waits. I think that stopped the hiccups. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Why do you think moms are smart?